10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Turn down for what? Hunt you down, ain't you alive? Just like animals, animals, like animals.
Ain't your way could never make me hate you. Even though what you was doing wasn't tasteful. Even though you out here looking so ungraceful. I'ma keep it moving, be classy and graceful.
Turn down for what?
Vallahi billahi ya.
And I met you in the summer. To my heartbeat sound. We fell in love as the leaves turn brown.
Big booty, but you got a big booty. Big booty, but you no trouble. All the sexy girls in the party, go and grab a man, bring him to the dance floor.
It ain't what you do,
So you go, I follow.
This shit, that ice cold. Michelle fight for that white gold. This one for them hood girls, straight masterpieces. Stylin', violin, living it up in the city. Got Chuck's on with Saint Laurent. Gotta kiss myself. So
Take me to church, I worship like a dog at the shrine of your life. I'll tell you my sins and you can sharpen your knife. Offer me the step in your go. Let me give you my life.
We could be.
all I wanna do is drive home to you, baby. I'm faded. I want you to stay with me.
I wanna be like Kanye. I'll be the king of me always.
Hanımefendi zıplamazsa sevinirim. Zıplamayalım. Hadi bakalım.
Am I wrong? Thinking out the box from where I stay.
You're gone and I gotta stay high all the time.
Young nigga move that dope. Young nigga move that dope, baby. Move that dope, baby. Move that
It's
dope.
just pretty lies. You're the king, baby. I'm your
Frequency high, like a spaceship. She say that she like it, that she been exposed.
Wait, the worst is yet to come. Oh no. I hit the ground bang bang. Off the sound bang bang. My baby shot me down. Bang bang into the room. I know you want it. Bang bang all over you. I let you burn it.
You're tired of loving with nobody. Nobody.
Everybody wanna see my girl. Everybody wanna take her heart away. Couple million in the whole wide world. Find another one 'cause she belongs to me. All I need's a little love in my life. All I need's a little love in the dark. A little, but I'm hoping it might kickstart.